He says, can you give us an advice to those who use social media among the youth? Well, the advice is mentioned in the Quran and the Sunnah. Ittaqullah, fear Allah Azza wa Jal. This thing that you're using, don't even for a second forget that Allah will question you about every page you open, about every glance you take, about everything you hear. Allah would hold you accountable for every single thing on the Day of Judgment. So imagine if you waste your time 5 hours, some 8 hours a day, watching Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, the whole nine yards, TikTok, then what happens? You waste so much time and you gain so many sins, and this is the easy part. What's worse is that you are darkening your heart. It's becoming dark, stiff, and hard. That's why you're not finding the taste and the sweetness of salat, of dua, of reading the Quran. That's why you're always depressed, always fed up and bored. That's why you look for new things and nothing seems to be helping except digging yourself and burying yourself under more and more browsing of such social media platforms. And this is a very negative sign, because lots of the Muslims who are drowned in such things soon would end up leaving the fold of Islam, unfortunately. So just a reminder, Akhi, use the social media platforms as long as there is no sin, and don't put a limit to the time. But in return, whatever time you spend on it, spend equal time on reading the Quran or offering tahajjud prayers. You will find that, whoa, you gotta be kidding. How long do you open the Quran every day? Oh, Sheikh, I'm ashamed, wallahi, I don't know what to say. No, talk to me. Nobody's listening. Wallah, Sheikh, I open Quran only in Ramadan. Subhanallah, 11 months and you don't open the Quran, but you have the audacity to spend 2 hours a day on social media, and then you want Allah to respond to your dua and to give you provisions and a good job and a good spouse and to give you good health. Hello? There's something wrong up here. You have to rethink your life because it's going down the drain. So this is, inshallah, a quick advice.